Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting the correct hardware. Plug the wireless pad into a compatible adapter rated for fast wireless. This gives stable voltage and faster charge. Remove thick or metal cases, or use one specifically marked Qi-friendly. Even slim metal card holders block the coil. Place the pad on a flat surface so it won't shift. Once done, power on the adapter and get your S21 FE ready. This ensures the phone and charger can communicate immediately when you place your S21 FE directly in the pad center where the coil sits. Slight adjustments often make the difference between trickle and fast charging. You'll see the charging icon or a pulsing LED. If not, tap the screen to wake it and verify. Make sure power saving and wireless power share are off because they can drop charging speed or block charge. Once engaged, the phone will manage charging curves automatically to protect battery health while topping to the desired percentage. To complete, let the S21 FE sit until the battery reaches your target. Don't move it during initial high current. If charging fails, the simplest fix is repositioning. Slide the phone a few millimeters or rotate 90 degrees to find the coil sweet spot. Make sure the adapter and cable are working by testing another device. If you still see no charge, reboot the phone and test without the case. Checking for foreign objects or magnets on the pad often resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.